Let's give a big hand. That's all, stand up, please. That's all, please. I request our National Vice President, Chief President, to kindly offer our bouquet to Pamalkan as a sign of welcoming into the party. Let's give a big hand.
Move. I went over it, spoke to, first of all, obviously my family, my supporters, because obviously a lot of implications are there also in my joining the NPP. But like I said earlier, I felt that the NPP has something which is lacking in. I don't mean to discredit any party, okay, because every party has a right to exist. But all I'm saying is this, that I'm here in the NPP because I feel that the leadership of the NPP has something to offer to us, not only at the state level, but even at the grassroots level. And for me, there are a number of things also which throughout the last few months which cemented this decision. For example, the CUET. I'm a teacher by profession, okay, and I could see the tremendous anxiety amongst young people, okay, because of this unknown thing called the CUET. If this had been implemented in Meghalaya, I'm telling you, this year, there would have been absolute chaos in our state, among the education system, and especially amongst our young people, especially those who are in the rural areas, without any proper internet facilities, and so on, so forth. Okay. And I'm also happy that this is the government that has also given young people a platform. For example, through the Prime Hub, okay, where young people have been able to launch their small businesses, okay, and do something for a living without depending on government dole-outs, without depending on government jobs. Okay. And one more thing which really propelled me to take this very firm decision is, as someone who works in the political and social space, our state cannot progress without peace, or if there's a sword hanging above us. So the decision of this government to provide, first of all, safe passage to our brothers who are across the border, okay, and initiating talks which have never happened before. We've heard government after government making promises and all that, but here is a government who walked the talk. Okay, and I studied in a school where the motto of the school was "Facta non verba," deeds, not words. And this is a government that showed action, that is propelled by action. So this is a harbinger of peace. I do hope and pray that whatever is happening today, what is happening at this point in time, okay, with all the peace talks and all that, will come to fruition, that something positive will come out of it. And I'm sure every citizen of the state, whether a young person, a businessman, ordinary citizen, wants peace for our state. So these are some of the few things that made me take this decision. But most of all, like I said, is because of the quality of leadership that I see in this party.
Why are you joining a party? We know that you are vocal against corruption in Meghalaya House deal. Now a party is not free from corruption, and a candidate also is not free from corruption. You are going to support. So why do you want to support this party?
I understand that. I understand that there is, there's a lot of things that I anticipated these questions. But Honorable Mr. James Samma, okay, when he spoke about I don't want to mention his name, but an MDC was recently arrested. Okay, he said these words about a political rival, not about somebody from the party, from his party. He said that a person should be presumed innocent until proven guilty. Now, if at any, and I'm a new entrant to the party, and all I want to say is this, that where there is proof of corruption, it doesn't matter whether it is my own party man or somebody in the party who's responsible. We will definitely, and at least I will definitely speak out against it. I'm very clear about that.
Well, why this shift from a regional party to a national party like the NPP? You've been for many years with
I've
the
been
UDP.
for many years in the regional party, and but then I also see that the NPP also at NCP, NPP at some point in time was also kind of a it functioned as a regional party, and these are our people. Yes, no doubt the NPP is a national party. I mean, it is a party that has a national status now. Okay. But then the thing is, I have, in Khasi, I mean, so to say, in a very light-hearted manner, boros kata ng abam ja. But on a serious note, I do not want to cast aspersions on any other party, because every party has its programs and policies which are, I'm sure, very good as well. Okay. They have leaders who are very capable as well. But for me, it's a very personal decision. First of all, very personal decision. And this personal decision is based on the caliber of the leadership that the National People's Party provide at the very top. Okay.
Well,